Hi, today we will explore a new product which is very useful for online classes. See, this is a simple pad what you can see here with just normal A4 size sheet of papers. It could be ruled or unruled. So whatever you are going to write here on this paper will be straight away reflected onto the screen. Say for example, I will just write our contact numbers. For example, you can WhatsApp us on 98440 or 82771 88386, and you can also call us on 73494 68969. As you can see, whatever I am writing on the pad is straight away available to you on the screen without any change. Now this is very useful when you are trying to say make some right angle triangles, or you are trying to make an equation, say a plus b whole square is equal to what. Like this it will be very convenient. And obviously you can have lot of options like changing the pen color, where you can select any of the colors here. Say for example I choose blue color and come down. Now I will write A, B, C, D, or I can make a circle and make a triangle. I can make a box out of this. All this is very easily possible, and you can also increase or decrease the pen size. Say right now I am in pen size 3. Say suppose I go to pen size 5. Okay, now I will write A plus B. You can see the difference. And because I have put a mark here, I can also join them. Okay, and you can again change the color whenever you want. Say suppose now I want again red color back. I will go there. And now I want to write A plus B whole square. It is possible. I can do that. Okay, and the whole thing can also be saved. Once you save, it will ask for a file name. Say suppose I give a file name as test file. Okay, it will get saved in some particular place. That folder is described here. So you can describe your own folder and it will get saved only in that particular folder. And you can export the whole content into PDF. You can see the button here to export your file into PDF. And whatever files you have saved till now is all available to you here. You can click on this and you can click on this, and each and every page it will get opened. And you can click on any of these pages to see whatever you have written. And if you don't want, you can always hide the menu. Then you will have only white paper on the screen. You can always bring it back also in the same manner. Please reach us with your requirements. And for any further details, you can definitely WhatsApp us. Thank you.